The scenes of officers and beautiful ladies painted by Gerard Ter Borch, a master of genre art who worked in Deventer, a smaller Dutch art centre during the Golden Age, soon became famous in Amsterdam, the art and business centre, in The Hague, the seat of the royal court, and the university city of Leiden. Frans van Mieris I and Gabriel Metsu, as well as the genre art master Johannes Vermeer, who worked in Delft, were acquainted with his work. Ter Borch's social portraits, which continued to depict the traditional themes with a moralising subtext of Dutch art, such as mercenaries killing time, love for sale, or secret love affairs, is characterised by detailed depictions of situations and a mastery in rendering materials. His trademark is considered to be ladies in satin dresses. Between 1555 and 1660, Caspar Netscher, the artist's first student, who in the 1670s became one of the most popular portraitists of Dutch high society, also appeared as an elegant young gentleman in Ter Borch's genre scenes. His elegant French portraits were also highly valued by the German nobility. The young soldier in Letter to a Sleeping Soldier, who looks like Caspar Netscher, is bringing a letter to the officer with an order to immediately return to the front. However, the latter has fallen asleep under a table at the local tavern and is thus incapacitated. Several such scenes have been produced in Gerard Ter Borch's workshop, some of which he painted himself, while others were painted with the help of assistants who worked in the workshop. The painting in the Gabriel Art Museum has been considered to be a reproduction painted by Caspar Netscher. In this case, the young man in the picture can be considered a kind of self-portrait of the artist. The painting has a dignified history. In the second half of the 18th century, it belonged to the art collection of the renowned Geneva collector François Tronchin, which was acquired by the Russian Empress Catherine the Great in 1770. There are two numbers on the front of the painting, the number 3753 in red on the left and the number 145 in white on the right. The first is an old number of the Hermitage art collection, while the second, white number, dates back even a dozen years earlier to a time when the painting was located in the Marble Palace, which belonged to the Empress's favourite Grigory Orlov. In the 19th century, the painting was moved to the Strelna Palace. The relocation took place around 1840 in connection with the major reorganization of the Hermitage art collection during the reign of Tsar Nicholas I. The painting apparently found new owners in 1917, during the whirlwind of the Russian Revolution. The painting became Estonian state property in 1921 via the Republic of Estonia Repatriation Commission and was deposited in the Art Museum in 1926.